Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. All my dear ones, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly do it so, like our videos and do share our videos with your contacts. My dear ones, we have entered in month of December, which is also known as month of joy, happiness, peace and love. So let's ask Almighty for His peace and love in our lives. Also, do not forget to spread joy and happiness in others' lives too. And with this, let's hope for the better and healthy 2021.
So my dear children, in today's video of EVS, we are going to study a new topic, that is sensory organs. In our previous chapter, we have learnt about our body parts. Let us have one look on this picture and revise what body parts we have learnt in previous chapter. So there are mainly two kind of organs we have in our body parts, that is external organs and internal organs. Internal organs means organs which are located inside the body like heart, lungs, kidneys, etc. And external organs which are located outside the body, for example eyes, ears, nose, skin, your hands, legs, etc. So along with this we have 5 main sensory organs. Now what is sensory organs? Sensory organs means the organs that tell us about our surrounding. It's called sensory organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs we have. We are able to understand about everything in our surroundings due to the actions of these sense organs. Now these 5 sense organs help us to function many things, and time to time they help us to give proper and correct information about what is going on, what is happening around us. So first sensory organ are eyes. Now what are the functions of eyes are? Eyes help us to sense of sight, to understand color, shape, distance of things from us. Second, ears. Ears give us sense of hearing, to understand the type and direction of sound. Nose. Nose help us to sense of smell, to perceive the type of smell. Tongue. Tongue gives us sense of taste, to understand the tastes like sweet, bitter, salty and sour. Now here is one exception, that is the hot chili burns the tongue. When you eat hot chili, it burns your tongue. But we feel that okay, this is a taste of the hot chili, but that's wrong. That is not taste of that hot chili. It's just a feeling or sense of touch we get. And fifth is skin. Skin gives us sense of touch, to understand the difference between hot and cool, rough and smooth, etc. Now we learn coordination in our movements. We can do different kinds of tasks or activities at the same time with the help of these sensory organs. For these activities or for these tasks, we need movements, and these movements need coordination among them. If there is a lack of coordination, then there are mistakes or muddles. So if your sensory organs are working properly, functioning properly, then of course they will have a good coordination, and that coordination will help you to do many kinds of activities at the same time. Next is overcoming disabilities. When any part of our body or sense organ does not work properly, then we face many difficulties. There are ways to deal with this kind of disabilities. So let us study about it. Measures to deal with disabilities. If we have any disabilities regarding eyes, like unclear vision, if you have difficulty to see properly, to read properly, then here we can use device like spectacles. Spectacles help us to have clear vision. Second is white cane is a device used for blind people. If the person is blind, then they use white cane, and this device help its user to scan their surrounding. Second, disability related with ears. If any person has difficulty in hearing, then they can use some hearing aid. And third is problems with legs. So if any person has problem with legs, they have special wheelchair crutches to get over this disability. Even if there are disabilities, we should never give up but should overcome these difficulties. The disabled person can learn to be self-reliant. Disability is not your minus point, but it's a plus point, because if any person has disability, they also have some superpowers to come over this disability, and they are more talented. They are gifted with other superpowers so that they can come over this disability. So my dear children, here we have studied about sensory organs. Kindly check your description box for your assignment. Like this video, share this video, and enjoy your learning. Thank you.